To quickly broadcast different time zones on your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, press and hold the menu button and go down to Clocks, and then select with the Start-Stop button. You're gonna have this option just right here, Alt Time Zones. Actually, there is none because I never input some. So I'm gonna select Add Alt Time Zone, and from here I will be able to navigate into the world. This doesn't mean that Africa is on the same time zone, and this doesn't mean that Russia is also on the same time zone. This only means that I'm navigating to the world, and when I'm gonna select that a part of the world, well, I'm gonna be able to select a city into that country. So actually I'm gonna select Canada, and from here I can take any city, any big city into that country. So I'm gonna add Montreal because, well, that's the time zone I'm in. So do I want to rename it? If by example I want to rename it Granby because I'm in Granby, well, I can, but no, I won't. Then I can add another one. So let's say I want to add London. So here I'm gonna go down to London. Want to rename it? Nope. Want to add another one? Well, let's add Tokyo. So let's go into Japan or Asia and select, well, Kyoto would have been the same thing, Osaka, Sapporo, but I want Tokyo. Want to rename it? No. And now I've got 3 time zones just right here. So the next time I'm just right here and I want to have a quick view of different time zone, well, I just have to come here and I can see it just right there. I could also from here come here and got Alt Time Zone, which would have been the same thing into controls. Now if I want to add, I can add another one, or I can edit this. So if I want to come here on Montreal, I can rename, change zone, reorder zone if I want to put Montreal under those one, or I can delete the zone if I don't want it anymore. And that's pretty much it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.